Hi, Lance with Washpros here. I wanted to introduce you to our Landa pressure washing trailer. This pressure washing trailer is able to vacuum at the same time as it pressure washes. So this is very valuable in reclaiming water. So this unit has 500 gallons of water capacity. The surface cleaner, which we'll show you in a minute, is able to vacuum at the same time that it is pressure washing. Here we have a couple of filters, which as it's vacuuming up the water, it can filter that water, bring it back into the tanks, and then reuse it again. All of our pressure washers are hot water ready, so they have burners on them, so we can get the water temperature up to a good 180, 200 degrees, and that will really help remove stains and oil, like things like that that are embedded into the concrete. Okay, so we have our hoses hooked up now to the trailer. This is the vacuum hose that's coming in to the reclaim tank. So anything that we are washing, it is going to be reclaiming and sucking it up at the same time. So the pressure washing hose is the yellow one, and the blue one here is the vacuum hose. So it comes over here and connects to this surface cleaner, and this is going to be spinning at a high velocity, putting out that hot water, and at the same time this vacuum is sucking up whatever it is pressure washing. So if you spill some oil, you have some type of an environmental concern, this will help to suck up that material, and then we can dispose of it properly at the city water treatment plant. So we're going to get it started here and we'll show you what it looks like. Okay, we got the pressure washer and the vacuum on. So now you can see how this functions. So if we have to do the inside of a shop with no floor drains, we can still pressure wash it because we are able to vacuum it out. And if you get an oil spill or some type of environmental concern, we're able to pressure wash that and also vacuum it up, dispose of it properly. There you have it. Give Washpros a call and we can pressure wash or soft wash anything that you